Bird's Eye Golden Crunch Lattice Crispy Potato Chips. Air fry 10 minutes. Crunchy and fun, apparently. Full on crunchy fun your family will love. They're a lot bigger than I thought they would be. Like free random normal piece. Set the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius. Cook for 10 minutes, shake it halfway. This is halfway. This is it after it's fully done. It smells good. It's very thick. Too bad you can only cook half a packet at a time though. I guess unless you have a giant air fryer, but I've got a Philips XL one and I can still only fit half in. Tastes good. I like these. They have a slightly salty flavour out of the packet too. Didn't have to add any salt, which was good. Very nice. Bird's Eye Golden Crunch Lattice Crispy Potato Chips. Give it a try. I'll give it 9 out of 10. Just wish I could do the whole packet at once.